Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Banker YouTube channel. We are here for CAIIB IT preparation. This is mock test 12. The earlier 11 mock test has already been uploaded to our Geeky Banker app. So the first question is, an effective SLA will have goals: greater performance and capacity, productivity, flexibility and availability, and standardization, and D, all of the above. So effective SLA will have goals all A, B and C. The answer will be all of the above. Answer will be all of the above. Okay, so the effective SLA should have goals such as greater performance and capacity, productivity, flexibility and availability, standardization. It should be as per the rules and all of the above. So the answer will be all of the above. Next question. In banks, the potential for fraud could arise from the first option is dishonest employee, dishonest customer, a third parties, all of the above. So the potential of fraud could arise from all of these, from dishonest employee, from dishonest customer and from third parties. So the answer will be all of the above. Okay, next question is, disaster management aspect should address the issue of disaster avoidance, recovery, contingency and planning, all of the above. So answer will be all of the above. Okay, so disaster management aspect should address disaster avoidance, recovery, disaster recovery, it should be contingency and planning and all of the above. This is typing mistake, this is disaster recovery. Okay, so the answer will be all of the above. So I have uploaded 25 questions in total. Okay, so again I will say, for complete videos go to Play Store and download our app, and this is quick response code for our app. So once you will scan this code, you will be redirected to Play Store where you could find our Geeky Banker app. So go and download this app to see the full videos related to CAIIB IT. So this is our this is quick response code for our Telegram group. So once you will scan this code and Telegram app is installed in your mobile or a tab, so you will be redirected to our group. Okay, and again this is our Geeky Banker app QR code. So you will scan this QR code, you will be redirected to Geeky Banker app in Play Store. Thanks for watching. Thanks. So I'll say one more thing, I forget. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe our channel, and if you find that content is useful for your exam purpose, then please share our YouTube channel over social media. So thanks again.